Also, what's the meaning of this?
Which kind of question is that? They blind, they see. People say they be like, man, if you see everything where. You know, say this thing a boundary, and I go say they take for wine, you know they get sensitive. This thing a boundary now between Umudim and Urang. So any movable item we won't pass like this now go pay 500 naira, just 500 naira. You feel am? Oh, bicycle. Okay, this one now just 300 naira go pay. As a bicycle, 200 naira don't bother for.
When this nonsense starts?
Since the inauguration of our new task force chairman now, you know that this village, you can't they ask me still like say the JJC.
See, I dey go Rwanda, the one won't go deliver palm wine. I don't want anybody will go block me. Time they go, I don't want waste time. Come on this thing for road, make I pass.
We come out now, just 500 naira now. Just pay them, they go wa. You know how it be now. On the wall level.
I say come on this thing, I won't pass.
Now 500 naira, you know they shot too much. About the hot. Nah, okay, stand where your picture fine no. Eh? ENUMA. Hey, I go keep person no. I go keep person no. I go keep person. ENUMA, listen. You no go move from here. Don't try me oh. Don't try me. I go back. Eh? What do you say? Hey! 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 My eye! ENUMA! Hey, my eye! Mommy, whoa! My eye, ENUMA! Hey! 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 ENUMA! ENUMA! You play for eye, not for eye! Which extra did this get carry? Oh, my eye! ENUMA! Hey! Oh, God! My eye! My eye! Hey!
Oh my God. ENUMA, what is this? Is this not blood stain? What happened?
Mama, nothing.
Nothing. ENUMA! ENUMA!
ENUMA! ENUMA! Where's your daughter? Eh? Look at my son. What did my son do to her that warrants this injury, this wickedness? Why?
ENUMA! You ask your son what did he do?
What did he do to you?
Mama, I dey go Rwanda, make I go supply palm wine give my customer. Now this is stupid son block road, say I no go pass. Can you imagine that?
Is that why you should inflict such injury on him? For what?
Okay, I be like say the thing when I talk now, you know here. It be like say the thing no sing. I say your picky block road, say make I no pass, say I go pay 300 naira. And then when they use small, they talk to her, I say, guy, come on this thing, make I pass. You no agree. They too gra. Now wake him up.
Hi, ENUMA. But you went too far. You shouldn't have broken his eyes.
Anyway, I brought him here so that you can pay for the treatment.
Me go pay.
Please, it's okay. Nai, don't worry. I'm going to pay for his treatment. How much?
10,000 naira.
10,000 what?
Naira.
Ibiaga mortuary.
Mba.
Oh, it's only me pay supermarket.
I will buy drugs now. I will buy drugs.
10,000. So what do you expect me to bring that kind of money from? Where?
Mama, don't worry yourself. I go pay the 10K. Mama, don't worry. You pay 10,000, Abi. Very good. Give me some minutes, I'm coming.
Enuma, where are you going to bring 10,000?
She's a nice lady. She has the money. You just bothering yourself for nothing.
Papa! Come back! Come and collect 10,000. That first man, Onyara. Enuma! Enuma, my daughter. You did well. Enuma, 10,000 naira. As if we are owing you. We're going to task force. 10,000. Please come and help me to peel this leaf.
Papa, you fall my hand. You fall my hand. Why did you run? Why did you run?
Look at kettle. Calling pot. Black. Have you forgotten that you took off first? You forgot it?
Papa, I did not run. Papa, leave that. I did not run. I did not run. I was just trying to.
My child, look at there. Shut up. Shut up. Look at you. Only mouth you get. That's all you have. That's why a little girl beat you up like this. Mess you up. Look at yourself. You are not ashamed.
Papa, they talk this kind of thing. No, they talk this kind of thing. This kind of thing they make me vex. I don't want to retaliate too. I just don't want to retaliate, Papa. Now man, I know I will point that woman, that girl from under her chest. I will point her. She go just die. But they pity her.
Hey, look at you. It's not that you have the mouth to talk. Monkey. Lazy boy. Nonsense. No. You cannot kill me. You cannot kill me, this boy.
My customer. My customer.
How you doing now?
I did fine. I waited for you to call me to supply you palm wine, but I didn't hear from you. So I said to bring it for you.
You did well,
You will like it though. It's very sweet. This one is very fresh and sweet.
No, the thing is that the last one you brought for me, I've had a big shortage, so I started buying from ENUMA. Yes, now.
ENUMA supplies you palm wine now?
Yes. She supplies very good palm wine and at fair price. So I've been having good sales. You can see, look at my shop. People are not complaining.
No. The price will not be a problem. The price, no.
That's what you have been saying.
No, you're my very good customer. Don't worry, it's not going to be a problem. Oh, yeah? But you will like this one. If you take this one, I will like it. Just buy this one. So I will know that next, if I'm bringing another, I'll bring the one that is more. Test. You like it now? Very sweet. And number one tapper here now. Eh? So buy this one now.
Fair. It's alright. No problem. Just keep it. That means I will buy it if you have change. If you not give me good palm wine at fair price, I will stop buying from you. No problem. I will call you. Probably tomorrow, next tomorrow. Alright now. Bye-bye.
Nope, I'll be waiting for your call, I'll be waiting for your call.
Ah, my brother.
Very fresh.
I've already gotten palm wine from ENUMA already. And that is what I will need for today.
ENUMA again?
Is there any problem?
No problem. No problem.
Don't worry, Next time, if you come, I will buy from you. Just that I need to finish this one in the shop. Huh?
Okay.
So,
Little ENUMA of yesterday is gradually dominating my business territory. No. I can't let a woman outshine me in my business. Not possible. Not after all these years I've been in this business. She thinks she can just come from nowhere and overshadow me. Me, Ubad. Never. Not possible. I have to do something about this. Fast. I have to do something about this. I know what to do.
Aye. Hey, Gelwa. Mwale tinchana aka. Oh. Mwabulu nwoke nti.
Brother, I can see you are enjoying.
If I knew money, man, I can't. Open now, if this girl happened to be a man, it's a work hard.
She's trying. She's trying.
Hi.
Brother, I'm off to the market. Ngwa, let me go. Give me money.
Hold on a minute.
Yeah?
I think I'll be needing this money later. Let me give you my card.
Okay.
Take. Make sure you do not withdraw more than 15,000 naira from this card. If you do anything funny, you now will receive a lot now.
No problem, brother. Oh. Brother, come borrow to now. Let me take some.
For the man, come back on time so that you prepare the soup. You know that and salad soup always goes well with this.
Bro, trust me now. You know what I can do.
Be careful, eh?
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Good afternoon.
Hello, Daniel.
Obadi nwokem. Odogwu akala. Odogwu akala. You don't really look happy. But Hey. Guy, this one is all well. How's the business going?
This palm wine is nice though. So sweet.
Mm-hmm. I got it from ENUMA.
Lutanda, so even you started patronizing this girl instead of me, your friend. Lutanda.
I don't understand. Look, I didn't even buy this palm wine directly from her. You know ENUMA and my sister are good friends. She actually gave her this palm wine yesterday. When I tasted of it, my brother, I couldn't resist it. That girl is very good at what she does. All the tinchanaka.
And so, is that why she goes around snatching my customers? Eh? Is that why she goes around snatching my customers?
Wait a minute. I don't understand.
I went to supply my palm wine to my customers, only for them to tell me that useless girl have supplied them already. Not one, not two. I went to four different places, and all of them are saying the same thing. I couldn't even sell one keg of my palm wine. Can't you see?
But this is bad though. But don't you think there must be a reason they patronize her? Mm-hmm. Maybe something you are not doing right.
You have a point. You have a point. I remembered one of them saying something about fair price.
You see that? Exactly what I suspected. Look, you really need to re-strategize. Find out what is going on. You understand? Work on your prices, your quality, the quantity, or any other thing that could be the reason. Before this girl will take away your Christmas from you.
Ha! It's not possible. A girl at chiming the business I've been doing all my life. In this village, a woman. Lutanda, I don't understand you anymore.
No, you don't have to sound like that.
I don't understand you anymore. I don't understand you anymore.
Don't worry, I'm coming back, okay? Wait for me, don't go away. I'll be right back.
Wait, what are you doing here?
I will apply to work here.
Who employed you to work here?
Mama ENUMA.
Mama ENUMA employed you to work here?
Yes, sir.
On my farmland? Hey! Run away! Run and never come back. Hey! This woman, you're daring me. Ego, you're daring me. Ego, you're daring me. Wait for me.
Yes, son. This year's Ifejawa festival is around the corner, and I don't want you to miss it. Yes, everything has been put in place. The governor, top government functionaries, and so many dignitaries will be present. Yes, and I want to officially use this opportunity to announce my retirement. Yes, So I and your mother will be staying permanently in the village after the whole program. Okay. Yes, she's here.
Is it us?
Yeah, then speak to him, okay?
Hello, son. Yes, I'm great. I'm doing great. Just missing you. I hope you're still coming back as we discussed. Okay. I cannot wait for you to come back and get married to Elena. I can't wait to carry your children. Yes, son. Yes, son. I love you too. You know that. You stay safe, okay? All right, son. Bye. Hi.
Since one day is grown now.
Yes, sir. I can't wait for him to come. Are you expecting anyone?
No.
Who could that be?
Mamas, I'm so sorry for not calling you. My phone spoiled, so I lost all my contacts.
Yeah, because I was about to say you didn't even tell me you were coming.
I'm so sorry for not calling
you. Let's go inside. Bring the bag inside.
I really missed you. Good to be here. I know.
You are welcome. How is work?
Fine, sir.
Work is fine. Well, I took a week off my annual leave, so I thought it was the best to come spend it here because work has been hectic. But I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for not calling you before coming.
No. You don't have to apologize. This house is your home too. And you know what? You did well by coming. Because my son will be coming in a few days.
Oh, really?
Yes. This will be a right time for you both to meet.
Absolutely. I can't wait to meet him.
So, how is your mom? Is she back in the country?
No, not yet.
Okay. Right. Amuche! Amuche!
Ma?
Amuche, please come. Hey, so nice to have you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Amuche, please take her things to the guest room near the mini parlor upstairs. And please clean up that room.
Okay,
Make it comfortable for her.
No problem.
All right.
You're welcome, Mom.
Thank you very much. Don't worry about this one. You can handle it.
So, my love, what would you like to eat while she dresses your room?
I would like to have my shower first before eating.
Okay, I can imagine the sweat. It's all right. You're welcome.
Thank you.
We'll do some catching up for you. It's been a long time.
It's been long. I really missed you.
I have missed you, ma.
Fine. Even if I will see now. Bye, one. ENUMA.
What's happened?
So you now go around supplying palm wine to my customers.
Your customers.
Yeah.
My palm wine is sweet. Customers come meet me, make I say give them. I no go say give them. I be businesswoman I be. Now they say what you dey find, I mean I dey find too. Anybody will meet me, I go say give them more.
You marry here. You what sense? You marry here. Listen, let this be the first and the last time I will warn you. If I see anywhere close to my customers, maybe you see, I'll cut your head off. Don't try me. Focus on the business that suits your kind. Lip and wine tapping for people like us. Men like us. Stay away from my customers.
You say men. I don't understand though. You look mirror before you come out from house. Because not be man that they see for you, they see boy, you be sumo boy. Or because you get baby. People they talk, men they talk. You too, you won't talk, you see they come up, you never reach man or God. No, they no, don't try this guys in again.
No problem, no problem.
Make I tell you, we go dig am. Any day when you try me, your own don't do too much, we go dig am. Think say they fear anybody. What a man can do, a woman can do better. Every time you go, they make mouth, you go, they tell me say you go do me something. The thing when you want do me now. And anywhere where you see me, as I go market now, if I come back and you block me for road, we go dig am. I won't make we dig am. If you tell they procrastinate, every time we shall see.
No problem.
The thing when you want do am now as I see you.
I should do it.
Don't do am.
No, try me, just try me again.
And you see, you don't start again. Try me again. I don't try you now, you don't they go. Make we dig am. Go ask question, no, I know well, no. Everybody know ENUMA for you. I know they fear anybody. Yeah? Every time we go dig am, we go. You know they go dig am. And I wait for the day when we go dig am.
Who is here? Who is here? Ego! 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 You are inside there and I'm here. Yeah, you knock it. Sorry. Medusa. Come on.
I hope all is well.
All is not well. So, what I'm hearing, is it true?
No. What did you hear?
That you sent some men to go and clear the land before the Nkwaha junction. Have I not warned you before never to step your feet into that on that land again? Did I not say it several times?
No. But that is one of my late husband's properties.
Says who? Who gave it to him? That person must have been there when our father shared the land between my late brother and I. Okay? Whatever, who told you?
No, my husband told me. And we have been farming on that land for all these years. When he was alive, you did not say anything.
Okay. For your information, this woman, that land belongs to me. Our late father gave me the land, if you must know. But however, I don't want you to step your feet there again. Stop farming, stop doing anything in that land. Cease every activity in that land. And even the
Nai, please.
I won't warn you again, oh.
Nai, please, I beg you in the name of God. Nai, please. I have spent so much money gathering things that I will use for farming on that land this season. Please, allow me to farm on it. Biko, I beg you.
That is no excuse, woman. No excuse at all. Don't stand there again. Cease every operation there. Did you hear me clear? I won't warn you again. Though. Come on, leave me.
Mama, why did you do that?
Please kneel down. Kneel down. Please beg your uncle to allow me to farm on that land on Nkwa. Please kneel down.
Mama, stand up. Mama, stand up. Stand up. Get up first. Stand up. Mama, stand up now. Stand up first. Stand up. Yeah. Hey. Where you? Hey. I may be a woman, but I know where all my papa lands there for this village. Avoid that place, so I know well. Go ask questions.
How dare you point your filthy hands at me? Are you not afraid? Look at this work you want. Instead of you to go ahead and look for suitors to come and bring wine to me, your uncle. Can't you believe you are here dragging land and the fruit and the. Bacharayagyo, mind yourself, oh. You have no respect for me. No respect for your uncle. Who do you again? Who again do you respect in this life?
Elder will not get respect.
What back can you stop when
they feel me? I know say you get plan to sell that land, but you no go walk. I dey warn you. You see this farming season, my mama must farm for that place and nothing where anybody go fit do. And if I catch anybody for there, blood go flow. I know well, go ask questions.
In Apala, one woman. Wait for who? You must marry. You must get out.
Okay, come out for your save up. Get out from this place.
Are you asking me out of my brother's compound?
As
you go to do this?
You go come out, you go come out.
What slap me? Push me away, man.
You go come out.
No, push me.
You don't go come out.
No, push me.
Wait.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
Ellie, baby, can you hear me? Are you in the bathroom? Nah. Baby. What's the meaning of this? Fuck! She has made away with my bag.
When you dial is switched off.
What? Number is switched off. You don't know who you're dealing with. Yeah, what's up? Please, I need you to come to the house now. Please, come as fast as you can. Very urgent.
Oye chime kwa mwanangu leo. Na. Kaba ya. Ame mama. Amuche. Ame. Ame. Nabi ko bia oh.
Brother. You are really hungry. See how you finish the food.
Man. Makarama and salad say Jen.
I know.
So eating your own salad no free for can say feel.
It's your favorite.
Salad?
Yes.
You get boom and salad.
Okay, but let me pack it inside.
No problem. Thank you. Madam. Biko bia. You should come back for this.
Let me just drop this one.
Come. I've been meaning to ask you this question.
Okay.
Do you really know where your friend ENUMA taps her palm wine from?
ENUMA? I have no idea where she taps her palm wine. She has never mentioned it to me. But I've heard her saying Ofioha market. Yes. But brother, why do you ask?
Nothing much. I just wanted to know, because that her palm wine really tastes good.
Brother, are you sure you just want to know? Or you want to find out? So you go and tell your friend Obad.
You see, Amuche, you may not be far from the truth.
Oh.
But the fact remains that I wish her well in her business. That's the truth. But I also wouldn't want my friend's business to crumble because of her.
Crumble? Ha! Brother, how do you mean? Don't tell me the almighty Obad is being threatened by ENUMA Mposia. Yeah. Oh, let me go and drop this thing first. I'm coming.
I don't know.
She took everything. And the worst part of it all, I've been trying to reach her. And I can't. Her number is unable to reach.
Of course. Of course her phone will be switched off after what she did. You expect her to put the phone on? How? Castro, you goof now. Why you allow this kind of thing to happen? How?
Man, I should have known that girl, that bitch was up to something. Guy, you know what's up about this babe? So,
what do we do? What do we do? You have any hints on where she could be? I mean, where will we find her?
She's probably going to be in a hotel. I think we should just ask around. Maybe anybody in the hood will know where she is or might have seen her or something. We should just ask around.
Hotel. Castro, you not do well. Castro, you lose guard. You lose guard. Come on. How would you allow this happen?
I know. I'm sorry about that. I know that I fucked up. But trust me, I will fix it.
Fix it then.
Darling, what are you doing?
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, dear. What are you doing? I have a maid who I pay to do these things.
Mom, this is nothing. I don't mind doing it myself. I can't stay at home and do nothing.
Let me just do it, okay? It's nothing, Mom. Please.
If you say so. But I don't want you to be overworking yourself. I don't want my son to come back and meet you stressed out.
Stressed out?
Yes.
With house chores? No. This is one of the things I like doing. House chores.
Oh, okay. If you say so.
Yes.
No problem. Do what you have to do.
Okay. The only thing I want you to do is to go upstairs. Just go and rest. Just go and rest. Go and rest. Just go. Make sure you're resting. Don't do anything. If you need anything, you can call me. Okay?
Our time, you waste our time. Bah, move. I go want to slap you. Oh yeah,
leave me now.
You waste my time.
You should leave me now. Leave me. Leave me alone. Somebody help me. What did happen for you?
Look, wait for your room.
What's your call? What did I want to am?
You don't mind your business.
You don't follow me the door. What did you do with them?
Hold this girl. Hold this girl.
I didn't follow you the door. Everybody, I leave you with your bicycle. Don't worry. I'm not so carry on. What say nothing happened to you?
No, I'm okay. Thank you for listening.
They no hurt you.
No, thank you so much. Thank you.
You doing okay, Abi?
Yes.
They go.
Thank you.
They go. ENUMA! Where is your bicycle? ENUMA! What is it? What happened? This one you did not come back with your bicycle. What is she looking for? Hi. Chimo! ENUMA! What is it? Mama, where are you going to? Come back here! Where are you going with cutlass? ENUMA! Hello? What is going on? ENUMA! ENUMA! What happened? Run! I think you be big boy. You wear black. You don't pee for you. I don't mark your face. Any day when I catch you, you must collect. Don't worry. Now me on for this village. Now for say now for challenge me. Now for collect woto.
Also, please after you. chase after you. Oi, Keyo. Ogini. Oi, Obibo. Keyo. It's ENUMA. It's ENUMA. I saw her carrying big cutlass, walking towards Nkwoha market. I saw her. Hi.
So because of a woman, you're running? Eh? You're running because of a woman?
Ubadi. What are you saying?
What
is that? Why ask this? You don't know that girl is brutal.
Which brutal?
She's brutal.
What? Why not get you?
You know what? Ubadi, I don't want her to disgrace me the way she did last time. I don't want to see. Let me just run off, eh? I don't want to run into her. Let me run off. Also, you want to You want to You know why also. You want to Where are you? Also, which direction is he coming from? Eba!
She must say up and wine. Okay, without fear. ENUMA can buy troubles if you mess with her. She can buy wallow. You know if it intimidate her at all. Whether you get money or you not get money,
Madam,
she know they
what are you doing here?
What does it look like I'm doing here?
Hey, madam, please. Do you want to put me in trouble? Please, just give me.
Stop. Stop it. It's nothing. I've been at home doing nothing, so I decided to do it myself, okay? Don't worry.
Madam, please. You want to put me in trouble?
Can you please stop? I'm not putting you in trouble, okay? I know you're scared of losing your job, but I promise you're not going to lose your job, okay?
Madam, please. My madam will not be happy if she finds out you are doing this yourself. Please.
You think so?
Yes.
Because I'm doing house chores. I want you to go home early, okay? So I have to help you. Okay? Do you want to assist or you're going to wash the plates? Go.
Thank you.
It's nothing, okay? You're not losing your job, I promise.
Oyibo, Otaye. Eze, thank you for the drink. I came for a purpose. I have a land for you, like we discussed the other time. If you are still interested in buying one, I have it for you now.
So, how many plots are we talking about?
Talking about 4 to 5 plots of land, strategically located.
So, where is it located?
Precisely within that our Afoha junction. Yes. That Afoha junction.
Wow. That's a good location. Yeah. I will send for my surveyor to go and inspect it. So you tell me the day and time it will be convenient for you, so that they will go and carry out the inspection.
Day and time. Any day, any time. But like I told you, this is a business. It's a market in my hand. I need the money for something very important.
and urgent now. It's not waiting for any particular person. So, ime ngwa ngwa, ime ghara ọdachi. Like I said, the plot is strategically located and it is comfortable for anything like plaza, bank, any kind of, call it hostel, anything you want. So if you want it really, I want you to shake Yaro to pour the late.
It's not a problem. I will know when it's going to be okay. I will call you and we do the deal.
Yes. Okay, you will call me later. Deal then?
It's a deal.
Ha! It's a welcome. Iriba agwa agwa. Ndekwa na anya no, ekwa na ka ezeku maka ya. Anam. I'm looking for. I'm waiting for you. Huh?
Okay. Greet your family for me, okay?
Castro, this is a big mess. Oh, you effed up big time. You fucked up, man.
I let my guards down because I thought she was under my control. Little do I know that that devil, that little girl, was up to no good. She can run, but she cannot hide forever. I promise.
How?
I will find her.
How?
Wherever she is.
How? How can you find her? There's a girl you don't know her friend, no her relative. How do you find her? You be winch?
Relatives. That is it. Why didn't I think of that? I know what to do exactly. Iko, I have a job for you.
Just be jumping it, oh? Just be leaving. After I will reply to them. Okay? Oh.
Yeah, what is happening here? What is happening here? Woman! Ego! How many times will I warn you to tamper with my land? You are still there cutting all this. Will you start putting fire hit your head? Why are you finding it difficult to listen to me?
What is it?
How many times have I warned you to stop tampering with my land?
Which of your land?
You're asking me which of my land? Listen, woman. I've warned you before that this land belongs to me. No, do I start dragging land with a woman?
Which land belongs
this
to you?
This land is my land. What
this is my late husband's land. We have been farming here for years. Eh? We have been farming on this land for years. Why sudden claim of the ownership?
I ought to get stubborn now. Listen to me. You are becoming stubborn. Will you stop nonsense? Look at her. Wait. Do you think
shift, oh? Shift, oh?
Do you think I come here to banter with you? Are you mad? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you stupid?
I've been respecting you.
Mature never. I have not gone to banter with you. Leave my land. Leave it in peace now before
I am not going anywhere.
What?
This is my late husband's land.
Yes,
so. I have tried enough.
Do you know what? Just I don't want to hear anything from you again. No pin again.
Asobi.
Leave. Leave now before
Asobi.
I will make my boy to push you out.
Boys, Bunkai and got a branch.
Right now.
What the matter? Madam. Don't touch her. Hey! Don't even try me. Don't touch me.
Madam. No, if she talks, hit her head. What's wrong with you? Hit her!
Don't touch me.
Leave the place. Leave it.
Mama? What's happened? Why you cry? Eh? Mama, what happened? Mama, what happened?
Your uncle. Your uncle came into the farm and chased us away. He threw me out of the farm.
Sigini, you say?
Yes.
Eh? You say? Person go die today.
ENUMA.
I'm talking about it. I'm here. From here to there. That one will come back.
What happened for here? What did they go on for here? Get out. What are you doing in my father's land?
Bulldog.
Okay, get out!
Don't interrupt my work. What's wrong with you? You know him before?
I will not repeat myself because anything where you go see, you no go like him. Come out from here now before I vex.
Now you're working wise. You can't drag land with me. And you know it. Allow him to do the work he has come to do. Huh?
Come out now.
Wait.
Come out now.
Let me tell you this. Huh? I won't tell you like that. I cannot drag land with a woman. You are just a woman. You have no portion in this family to drag land with me.
Yeah. Come on. Come pass here. Get out! I go cut your neck.
Cut me?
Get out from here now.
Everybody say you will cut me?
Come on.
You will cut your father.
Come on, move. Take my phone. Move from this place. Get out!
I will leave you for one thing. Because of my late brother. Idiot. I've told you that time with that number. Go and seek yourself out a husband, get married and leave me in this place. You will refuse. I've warned you finally.
Come on, this is for my front.
Oh!
Cut your own, Pama.
Ah! So you have developed wings now. I'll cut it for you. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Come on, for you, man, not cut. Come on.
Oh, we shall see.
See.
We shall see.
Make I catch you for here again.
Huh?
Oh, God, come on from this place. Come on from here. Come on from here. Say, come on from here.
No, follow me. Come on, hit me. Hit me your life. Let's go. You have refused to buy and have your way. Don't worry. Stay here and drag land. I will pay you with the right corn at the right time. No problem.
You see this old man, your mind will die very soon. Don't worry.
The repercussion will surely come. Don't run away.
I don't know what you want to see for this land. What did they happen for yourself, for this village? What did they stop?
ENUMA, when
I catch anybody for here again, blood go flow. And I mean that this time around.
Without fear. ENUMA, when I go to bed, she must say up and wine. Without fear. ENUMA can buy troubles if you mess with her. She can buy wallow. You know if it intimidate her at all. Whether you get money or you no get money, she know they find wahala. She know they find trouble. She know they find wahala. But you feel carry and come, ENUMA there. She know they find trouble. This kind girl. She know they find wahala. But you feel carry and come, ENUMA there.
I'm coming.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Please, excuse me.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Sorry to bother you. I'm actually looking for Elano.
Oh, she's not around at the moment.
Oh, she's not around. Do you know where she might be at?
Not really. I've really not seen her for weeks now.
Are you serious? For weeks now, you have not seen her. Do you know her whereabouts?
I have no idea, sir.
Okay. Thanks so much for your time. Okay, I really do appreciate it.
Right.
All right. Take care.
Bye-bye.
She don't get well. She's on her leg. Enuma, whether good or bad, she must say up and wine.
That's true. I suggest you contact our missionaries to track down that babe.
No. I don't want her dead. I want to capture her alive so that I can slowly kill her with my hands.
I just hope that girl hasn't left the country.
No, never. Because I have contacted my immigration contact. So, if she is seen at any airport, she will be captured. Listen, that girl took me totally unawares. I couldn't believe she could make such moves on me. Me, the Don. I know she loves money, but not to that extent. And I believe that she didn't do this alone.
Castro, you think there is another mole?
That is exactly what I'm about to find out. Listen, we will have to track and find out her cause for the past 1 month. That is going to give us a very good head start.
How about Iku? Any update?
Well, he said that he will get back to me later today. So I'm still waiting.
Enuma, beautiful girl. What a man can do. Enuma can do it better. She no gets well. She's on her leg.
Madam.
You get the actual level.
My customer. This is freshly tapped and wine, very sweet. Very, very sweet. You like it. And as we discussed before, you have 10% in every supply that I do. Okay?
Now you are talking.
You're my customer now.
You have been doing like this. I want to switch to start buying from ENUMA now. But one more thing.
What is it?
Please, I don't want my palm to be mixed with water.
Oh, I don't mix my palm wine with. It's okay. It's okay. I heard what you said.
Better, I don't want you to mix with water.
I'll put it into consideration.
I don't want my customer to complain. I don't want to miss any of my customers.
It's okay. It's okay.
If I miss one, you miss me forever.
It's okay. It's okay. Just carry all of them. It's okay. Carry all of them.
You said they are giving me a discount.
10% now. It's not what you said.
Let me just collect the 10%. Thank you. Oh? So? So it's not even filled up.
Carry.
Huh?
That's why I said you should carry 2 of them now. Are you not my good customer?
I don't want to ask for it.
Carry. I hope you call me tomorrow. Yeah, I'm a very good customer. I don't know why you're not giving me anxiety. Eh? Tomorrow now you call me, right?
It's okay now.
No, see. You know this one now. It's very, very okay.
Go to Ubadi's house. Tell him I will need fresh palm wine tomorrow morning.
Okay, sir.
You should make sure it is freshly tapped. I don't want to take overnight palm wine.
Okay, sir.
So hope the money will be enough.
Yes, sir.
Go.
Okay, sir.
At all, whether you get money or you no get money, she no dey find wahala, trouble. She no dey find wahala, but you feel carry am come, ENUMA dey. She dey kakaraka, this kind girl. She no dey find wahala, but you feel carry am come, ENUMA dey.
Where did you get this money from? It says Obi that gave me the money, that I should give it to Obadi for the palm wine that he will be supplying tomorrow.
Obadi?
Yes, any problem with that?
Must you buy it from Obadi?
What do you mean, must you buy it from Obadi? You and I know that Obadi is the best when it comes to palm wine in this village.
One of the best, not the best. Have you tasted ENUMA's palm wine? Have you?
No, I have not tasted. Do I heard she also sell good palm wine?
Yes, she sells good palm wine. Original one for that matter.
So what are you trying to say now?
How about getting it from her?
The instruction says buy from Obadi. Do you want to change the instruction now?
I don't want to change the instruction. He needs a good palm wine. Palm wine is palm wine. Whether you get it from a kale or Afo, he needs a good palm wine. And if you want it, you buy it from ENUMA.
Are you sure of what you are saying? You know that I don't want trouble. You know this work is the work I am using to take care of my 3 children in the village. I don't want a situation whereby I'll go and buy wrong palm wine now. They'll come and sack me.
See, let me tell you. If you buy palm wine from ENUMA, he will be the one asking you, where did you buy this one? Where did you buy this palm wine? In fact, he will increase your salary.
Ajay! Are you sure?
I'm telling you.
Ajay! Okay, I'll buy it because of you. I'll buy it because of you. This one I want to buy because of you. If I buy it now because of you, when it is my turn to ask for your own help, you also help me.
Yes, now. You are my personal person.
Ajay!
Have you forgotten?
Ajay!
Yes, I'll do it for you. See, just give me this money. I will go to her house on my way going home to inform her. She will deliver tomorrow morning.
Okay, I'll give you the money. But hold on first. You said I'm your personal person, Abby?
Yes, now.
So you have to do what personal person used to do now. Give me a hug. Then I will not give you now. I'll go and buy it from Obadi.
Don't worry. She'll deliver it tomorrow morning, yeah?
ENUMA, whether good or bad, she must say her palm wine. Okay, let it without fear. ENUMA, whether good or bad, she must say her palm wine. Okay, let it without fear.
Oh my God!
ENUMA can buy troubles if you mess with her. She can buy one. You know if it intimidate her at all. Whether you get money or you no get money, she no dey find wahala. She no dey find trouble. She no dey find wahala. But you feel
my hardworking friend.
Welcome.
Welcome. Enu, guess what?
Which of you guess what? You know say I know sabi guess now. Anything you want tell me.
Ezobi's only son is coming back from abroad tomorrow.
What think will happen if they come? Let me make say make I guess. Because person's son they come.
Enu, not only that, this is just part of it. Ezobi wants you to supply a keg of palm wine tomorrow for the celebration of their son's arrival.
Now you come. Shoo?
I came to give you the money. What are you doing?
Na appreciation. You know say you recommend me give people. I dey grateful. Take and hold this one.
No, now you are my friend. What are friends for?
You know me, Olam. I no go shop alone now. All for you.
Thank you anyway.
No waiting there. For this good news, you carry come make and knock you one cup.
I've not eaten no.
No worry, this one not too strong. You like come on the go.
You sure?
Come.
Hey! Okwakamo! We dey try for you. You know your friend.
She must say her palm wine.
Hold on.
Without fear. ENUMA can buy troubles if you mess with her. She can buy.
Hold on now. Why you enter here like that? You think that this place now market where anybody fit enter anyhow?
I bet no vex for me.
Wait, I no vex. Who you be and waiting you they find here?
My name na ENUMA. They say make I come supply SOB palm wine.
Oh, ENUMA. So now you be that ENUMA where Amuche been talk about?
Yes.
So where is the palm wine? I hope this your palm wine is sweeter than the one of Ubari, the way Amuche take talk am.
No worry, when you taste them, you gonna confirm am. Na geng palm wine, very geng.
Geng?
Yes.
Okay, now there is no problem. Okay. If your palm wine geng the way you take talk am, we will come back for the another geng.
Okay.
Okay, now you know say as where they talk am be say I no want trouble. This place where they like this, I just they hide myself, they take care of my children where they village. So I no want something where be say I carry wrong palm wine go give them now they go begin shout for me. Okay. Okay, now bye bye.
Make I go.
No, don't worry, I'll give it to them. Okay. Bye bye,
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Bye bye,
Bye bye.
Go.
ENUMA whether good or bad. She must say her
You won't carry and go give by yourself.
without fear. ENUMA whether good or bad. She must say her palm wine. Without fear. ENUMA can buy troubles if you mess with her. She can buy wallow. You know if it intimidate her at all. Whether you get money.
You remain one of the best chefs. This really tastes nice. Mom, you still remain one of the best chefs in the whole world.
Oh, you're making me blush.
Now I know why Dad cannot leave you to be away from him for 1 second. Son,
Who's that?
I have something very special for you. You know I like it when you use those words. Something special. Okay, let the cat out of the bag. I can't wait.
Amuche! Amuche! Amuche!
Ma? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, get that power from that.
Okay, sir.
Did I just hear power? Okay. Please get the whole palm wine. Wow, Dad. You won't cease to amaze me. That's what. She's brilliant. Alright. Can't wait to test it. I have very missed that wine. Son? With my 2 hands.
Hey!
Waiting for the water of life.
Oh.
I
ordered this palm wine especially for you.
Oh, Dad.
And I know you will like it.
Of course, Dad. I love it. I will love it, definitely. Oh, goodness.
Really?
Mom, have you tasted this? Dad, this is the best. You know, Dad, I started craving for palm wine the moment I landed at the airport. How did you get to know? This is called
Telepathy.
You know your dad knows you in and out. To meet you like Oh, son, I'm so happy you are finally back.
Thank you, Mom. You can say that again.
Welcome back.
Dad, can I keep the whole rubber?
I wasn't doing.
Okay, I'm not selfish.
You know I should give it. Let's take it.
Son? Huh? Oh my goodness! I just won a trophy.
Let me help
No. You can help.
Trust me.
Help me with my chicken, not with this.
Really?
As you can see, the rubber is blue. I'm putting on blue. It was never a coincidence.
True, son.
Thank you, Dad. Mom, thank you. You're the best.
I know.
And you too, thank you.
Really?
Oba de mokem.
Dania.
Odogwu okalapo. That is good. I just saw the chairman. Oh, there you go.
I applied their strategy. Lutanna, it works like magic. Lutanna, I was able to recover 2 of my customers.
You see, I told you business is about strategy. If you strategize, one another bar. You gotta go. You won't really use idea. Look, I am finally happy that you're beginning to recover all your customers. Gradual by gradual. You will get all of them back.
By fire, by force.
Strategy. If only you are such. That reminds me. Have you heard that SOB's son is back from abroad?
Who told you?
You forgot that my sister works in SOB's house. She told me about the young man's arrival. Yes, was it yesterday or when was that? And that SOB requested for some palm wine from ENUMA to celebrate his son's arrival. Can you imagine that?
Has he got into that? Okay. SOB called me. I want you to pay attention. SOB called me and told me that he will send one of his boys to come and get palm wine from me. But since then, I've not heard from him. So this girl, ENUMA will find her way into SOB's house. So this girl bent on taking all my customers away from me. Obadi, me.
So bad. Please calm down. Maybe there was a reason. Please don't conclude it.
No, I'm not going to take this from her. No, I'm not going to take this from her. No, it's out of hand now.
You can do about it. You cannot change it. I want you to appear like a decent girl, dressed like a good girl, so that you can have suitors. Suitors will be coming to our house.
Suitors?
Yes.
I tell you say they fine man. I tell you say I want suitor. You don't ask yourself, waiting me I want, waiting your daughter ENUMA wants.
My daughter, what else do you want if not marriage? See, you have to marry her. You are a woman. There is a saying that says that a woman is not honored in her father's home. Why you ain't a man a ben? Please. I don't know.
Why your mama will do this thing? I'll not be married with my problem now.